Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix PXE-M0F exiting PXE Rom. No boot device found, press any key to reboot the machine. No boot device found, press any key to reboot the machine. Follow me to fix the problem. First, restart the laptop and see if the same problem shows up. First, turn off the laptop by pressing the power button, then open the back of the laptop. I have already opened it, but the video is missing. Slowly remove the screws on the back of the laptop with a screwdriver. Then you go to the hard disk section and open the hard disk screw of the laptop and open the hard disk, because you may have a disk problem or the hard disk may be damaged. This problem may also be due to this, or there may be a BIOS problem. I have already checked the BIOS. There is no problem. We will first remove the hard disk. Follow the video to see how to remove it. After removing the hard drive, take an eraser and clean the connector area thoroughly. Clean it the same way I am cleaning it. After cleaning the connector area with an eraser, attach the hard drive to the same place where it was installed. Ensure a correct boot order is selected via BIOS. Incorrect boot order could cause no bootable device found, a black screen problem, as disassembling a laptop can cause permanent damage if you are not completely sure what you are doing, so rather trust this to an experienced technician. If nothing helped you to fix no bootable device found error, the culprit is most likely a corrupted or damaged hard drive. In such a case, you should replace it with a new one or contacting experienced IT support that could do that for you. My problem was fixed this way. I hope your problem will be fixed. If not, then reset the BIOS once and see if it is fixed. If the laptop shows the same problem or error after turning on, then there may be a hard disk problem. After the laptop is turned on, the laptop will be turned on without any problem. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.